Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to send money from Union Bank to PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official PayPal website right here, paypal.com. If you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So in the main page in the upper right corner, you're going to have the login button. If you do not already have a login button, you can go ahead and click on sign up. You go ahead and create a new account. So once you have gotten your account, we can log in. By logging in, we're going to go and be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can take a look at our PayPal balance. We have a recent activity tab right here. We can send money, request money, and so on. And now we can get started. So guys, first things first, it's very easy to go ahead and connect our Union Bank to PayPal so we can transfer money to it and from it. And all we have to do is just click right here. As you can see in the main page right here, we have a button that says add card or bank. By clicking add card or bank, it's going to enable us to add any bank and link any bank to our PayPal account. So let's go and take a look by clicking link a bank account. Is going to take us to this page right here where we can get started providing our bank name, our SWIFT code. We can go ahead and enter in our IBAN number and everything we need to connect our bank. So once you're satisfied and you have inputted all the info, you can just go ahead and click finish at the bottom of the page, and it's going to enable you to successfully add your Union Bank to PayPal and connect those two. Once you have connected those two, it's going to enable you to transfer funds from your Union Bank using the transfer funds button right here to your PayPal and vice versa, whichever way you need. And that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.